What is OMail? Simplifying the complexities of your business needs with AI services. Organizational communication in a hassle-free manner. Switch to an easy and effortless way to communicate at your workplace. Know more about OMail. OMail is a web email platform created by ONPASSIVE. The platform enables the users to exchange communication and gives them a unique experience of communicating effortlessly. OMail has various features that make it the best email platform and prove to be a significant competitor in the global market. AI technology in the domain-based OMail has intelligent features like unlimited storage, online and offline calendars integration, and email synchronization across multiple devices. Import contacts and addresses from the existing email address. To name a few, from the platter of various features are offered by the email platform. Moreover, OMail users are given many options to create an email, customize it according to their preferences, enable notifications across multiple devices, schedule emails, etc. OMail strives to provide the best experience to its users worldwide by providing them with the latest updates in the email platform, creating exciting and long-term relationships with the users. Step up the way you connect. OMail is a skillfully designed and universal webmail for businesses capable of managing an unlimited number of mail accounts from various providers, allowing for smart push notifications and group emailing while enabling personalization across multiple email accounts. OMail comes with a wide range of visual and technical features, swipe actions and menus, action bars and buttons, colors, and themes. As a next-gen mailing tool, it delivers robust capabilities to your team. OMail data centers have top-notch security and surveillance with a reliable 99.9% uptime. OMail's domain-based email has an integrated calendar that automatically syncs your events and updates on the fly. Plan events, invite your contacts, and set reminders with unmatched ease. Setting your calendar has never been this easy, allowing you to find the perfect balance in planning your daily and weekly schedule. Key features of OMail. OMail, an AI-powered email service, comes with multiple features that enhance the ease with which you send and receive emails and manage your contacts. It is a convenient and user-friendly solution to all your emailing needs. More, please visit www.onpassive.com.